Do you want your manicure to become the star accessory of Halloween? Welcome to Via Nail Art. Today I'll show you two fun ways to create a playful, slightly spooky design, a French tips with bright pumpkins on the tips of your nails, and cute little ghosts that seem to come alive right on your hands. This isn't just nail art, it's a little Halloween story you can wear throughout the holiday. Grab your brush, brighten your good mood, and let's create together, crafting your very own spooky style. This design is quick and easy, even beginners can handle it. In this video, I show you two different versions so you can see how to experiment with Halloween's colors. You don't have to stick to the classic orange, black and white. For example, I tried a bright pink reflective gel polish and I think it turned out pretty cool. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. For the first version, I'm using a mix of orange glitter and gel base. For the second, I'm using pink reflective gel polish. For drawing the details, you can use either gel polish or gel paints. Stick with me until the end to catch all the tips and tricks for the design, and to see even more creative ideas are on Nail Art.
On a cold night tonight. On a cold night tonight.
watching this video to the end. It means a lot to me. Tell me in the comments which design you liked more, the orange pumpkin French tips or the creative pink versions. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you have any questions about the techniques or materials, don't hesitate to ask. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video on Nail Art.